li, le, mi, di, ci, vi, sì.
Think Italian pronouns are confusing? Keep watching! This video is short and easy. Just a few rules to get you started with Italian pronouns. Ciao, sono Anna e questo è My Italian Circle. Many learners of Italian have difficulties with pronouns. No wonder, because there are so many of them, and sometimes different pronouns have the same form, which makes things even more complicated. Today's video is the first in a series dedicated to pronouns. The recipe is simple. Only the right amount of information, just a few concepts, to help you digest them step by step and bring order to chaos.
I pronomi oggetto diretto.
Italian has two types of direct object pronouns, stressed and unstressed. The unstressed form is the one we use most of the time. In the future, we'll explain the difference between these two sets, but for now, we'll concentrate on the unstressed form. Now you can pause the video and take a screenshot of today's pronouns.
Mi, ti, lo, la, ci, vi, li, le.
Today we'll talk about direct object pronouns. Pronouns that replace the object of a verb, the recipient of an action. Easy. I read the book. The book is the object. Let's replace it with a pronoun. I read it. It is the direct object pronoun. Il pronome oggetto diretto. So far so good. Vediamolo in italiano. Let's see this in Italian. Io leggo il libro. Il libro è l'oggetto. Il libro is the object. Let's replace it with its pronoun, lo. Io lo leggo. Here is the first rule to remember. We usually put direct object pronouns before the verb. Io leggo il libro. Io lo leggo. Tu mangi le mele? Sì, le mangio. Now let's do a simple exercise. Replace objects with pronouns. Io mangio la pizza. Io la mangio. Paolo vede Marco. Paolo lo vede. Noi ascoltiamo le canzoni. Noi le ascoltiamo. Sara mette gli occhiali sul tavolo. Sara li mette sul tavolo. Cucino i peperoni. Io li cucino. Let's add another little rule. When a modal verb is followed by an infinitive, the direct pronoun is attached to the infinitive or placed before the modal verb. What? Let me explain this with an example. It's easier than it sounds. The example sentence is, I can read it. Can is the modal verb. Read is the infinitive. In Italian this is, io lo posso leggere. Or, io posso leggerlo. Now place the pronouns in the sentences. Voglio aprire la porta. La voglio aprire. Or, voglio aprirla. So cucinare il ragù. Io lo so cucinare. Or, io so cucinarlo. Non posso chiamare Paolo. Non lo posso chiamare. Or, Non posso chiamarlo. Devo comprare i fiori. Devo comprarli. Or, li devo comprare. Last exercise. Translate into Italian. I can see her. Posso vederla. Or, io la posso vedere. She sees him. Lei lo vede. He sees her. Lui la vede. I see you. Io ti vedo. You see me. Tu mi vedi. You see us. Tu ci vedi. They see you. Loro vi vedono. I see them. Io li vedo. I can see them. Io le posso vedere. Or, io posso vederle. Com'è andata? Gli esercizi erano facili o difficili? Li hai trovati utili? How did it all go? Were the exercises easy or difficult? Did you find them useful? Let me know in the comments. Scrivilo nei commenti. Patrons, don't forget to download your additional material from Patreon. Not a patron yet? Time to join our program then. We'll stop here for today. Our lesson is not finished, far from that. Today we only saw simple sentences in the present tense. Next time, we'll see how pronouns behave with the passato prossimo, the most common past tense. Ci vediamo mercoledì!